Hello, my name is Malia Morales, and for this screencast today, we're going to analyze the body language of United Airlines CEO Oscar Munoz as he makes his apology to the public. Oscar will be apologizing for United Airlines as they violently removed an innocent passenger, Dr. David Dow, who refused to give up his already purchased seat. As you can see, the video is filmed from the chest up. It looks as though he is sitting tall, with his shoulders back. This gives the impression that he is confident in his apology as he takes responsibility for his initial responses to the incident.
Hello, I'm Oscar Munoz, CEO of United Airlines. 2 weeks ago, a shameful event occurred on Flight 3411. We deeply apologize for what happened. I apologize, though sorry simply doesn't go nearly far enough to address the shocking way one of our passengers was treated that day, and for our response that followed.
While expressing how sorry doesn't go nearly far enough to address the incident, he nods his head in a subtle motion. This shows the audience that Munoz actually believes and agrees with what he is saying, making him more reliable. In addition, when analyzing Munoz's body language, he does not smile or seem as though he is enjoying filming the apology video. This allows the audience to see how he is taking this incident very seriously. This is heavy content that Munoz has to deal with, and we can see that he is saddened with the way his company dealt with the situation the way they did.
But we are certain that meaningful actions will speak louder than words. For the past 2 weeks, our team has been working to answer 2 questions. How did this happen? And how can we do our best to ensure it never happens again? It happened.
Lastly, Munoz does show some emotion through his body language, with a raise in eyebrows and stressing particular words such as meaningful, best, and never. He looks very relaxed and composed in front of the camera, making great eye contact with the audience. Although sometimes Munoz does look a little too relaxed because you could not see the emotion in his eyes. Other than that, Munoz portrayed a great use of body language throughout the whole apology video. During an apology video, it is very important to open yourself up with positive body language. As seen in Munoz's apology video, it is very important to have your body language match the message you are trying to convey, because it keeps you credible and reliable. If you are not making eye contact, making yourself look small, and being overly descriptive, you will compromise your entire apology. Thank you so much for listening and have a great night.